Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going over my fall Fab Fit Fun box. Fab Fit Fun is a subscription box. It has from Fab, you know, style, you're fabulous, fit, like fitness, and fun things. So it has all of that. But for real, it's got fitness stuff, makeup stuff, candles, home stuff, just a whole box of anything and everything. So Fab Fit Fun is like, I think it's $49.95 and you only pay that every 4 months. You get it each season of the year. So you can pay the $49.95 separately each time, or you can pay a flat fee. I think it's like $180, and then that saves you $20 by signing up for like the whole thing for the whole year rather than purchasing them separately. And if you sign up for the whole year, you also get more perks. So you get to choose what you want in the box. You get to make more selections, I guess, make it more personalized to you. So that is something to consider. I think if I stick with FabFitFun, I will definitely do that in the future. So when you open up the box, I mean, I've already kind of done it. Here's everything. This smells delicious in here. You got everything in there, plus you get a catalog with all of the things inside. This tells you a little bit more about what you get. You get discount coupons. So here's a page that says what's in the box. I was really confused about this at first to read it. So there are different categories. Blue means it's in every single box. A pink means, so the blue, every single member gets that item. Pink, all members get the chance to customize these in their box. And then the yellow means only select members get to customize these options in their box. So that would be if you sign up for the whole year rather than paying for each box individually. That's what you get to pick and choose from. It is just a little more personalized. Let's just start. The first thing that I see in the box, these are by Wander Beauty, the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and it is a 6-pack. So you get just little under eye masks, and I do have some of these actually currently. I believe I got them in a BoxyCharm before, not the whole box, but like 1 or 2 packets, and I do know I like these, so that's pretty cool. This is in the yellow category, so this is for select members. This is one of those items that you get to choose from several different ones, so mine was just randomized. I didn't get to pick which one I wanted. This was just randomly sent. These retail for $25. Next thing in here, this is in every box, so everybody gets this. This is by Humankind, the Body Souffle. So it is a lotion, apricot oil, and shea butter. Oh, it's got a little plastic over it. That's nice. It just makes it feel a little more secure. Definitely smells good. This retails for $18. I'm always happy to have lotions, especially with the winter months coming along. My skin gets so dry, so I do go through lotion really fast, so I am happy to have that. Next item is also in every box. This is by Aveda. This is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Infused with quinoa protein, don't know, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling. This retails for $30. This is really nice to have. I do not use heat products on my hair very often. I always let my hair air dry. I don't straighten it anymore, and I do curl it, but mostly only for events. So this will still be really nice to just keep it protected for those times that I do curl my hair and use heat products. So that's nice to have. It's nice. Next item is Cosmetics Pure C. Nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of 100% pure ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. This retails for $54. Wowza. This, everybody gets the chance of having it in their box. Okay, so I have it opened now, just sprinkling it out on my hand. All it is a little powder. Super soft. I can't smell it because I've got that lotion on my hand. So if it's got a smell, I can't smell it. So just add this to your nighttime serum, I guess. I will definitely start trying that. Can't hurt. I mean, it could if I broke out, but this is pretty neat to have. I've never heard of something like that. Cool. Next. This is another item that is in every single box. This is by Harper and Ari, the exfoliating sugar cubes in Juice Cleanse. Delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Wow, those smell so good. Ooh, I like that. I do like using stuff like this, and I do like that they're so small. Normally when I have exfoliating things, it's usually in a jar that you scoop out, or it's a big bar. So I like that these ones are a little bit smaller. Those retail for $16. Did I already say that? That's pretty cool. So far everything has been beauty related. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I like beauty, obviously. Let's go into this next little bag. Oh, okay, so these are the mystery choice. I don't know how that works. Let's figure out the mystery choice bag. I don't know what that means. Mystery choice, where are you? What does it mean to be a mystery choice? You don't know, 'cause I can't find anything in the magazine. Oh, there's a crossword puzzle in a magazine. I love crossword puzzles. Okay, so I have no idea what the mystery item means. I know, oh wait. Here it is. You snooze, you lose. Trust us when we say this mystery will help you maximize those Z's. So is this, I'm confused. Okay, so the mystery items are actually not even in here. It's just a question mark. All it says is it retails for $42 on up. So I do have 2 products here. I'm assuming the mystery thing is if you don't choose between anything. I don't know. I don't know how that works. I'm gonna have to look it up. Okay, getting on Fab Fit Fun website. Okay, if anybody knows any information on the mystery items, please let me know. I swore I've read information on it before, but I can't find any right now. So the first thing that was in the mystery bag is Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll, blah, blah, blah. Dissolves stubborn impurities, helps replenish skin moisture, maintains skin pH balance. So that sounds really nice. I do know I already love Dr. Brandt. I'm not sure if I've used this one exactly, but I have used several Dr. Brandt items before. It's basically the color of the lid. I mean, that doesn't really matter, but feels nice. Still can't smell it because I still got that lotion on my hand. I will be happy to try this out for sure. Like I said, I already know I like Dr. Brandt. I know it's a good brand. I'm sure it's a great cleanser. I'm be happy to use it. So the next item is by Dermalect. This is the Runway Ready Luxury Foot Treatment. I like the packaging. That's nice. Luxurious formulation that promotes a retextured, smoother, and silky feel for dry, rough, and chapped skin of the feet. I will say I don't have a foot cream, so this will be nice to have. I don't really have too many issues with my feet being dry, and I'd like to keep it that way. So I will be happy to have this and to start using it. I don't know why I keep trying to smell things. Wow, that feels nice. Huh. I don't know. It's a foot thing. I'm just gonna have to keep you updated on how it works. I don't know how much those retail for. There's 2 of them. It just says they're $42 on up. So not sure. This next item is all members get the chance of getting this. This is the Cut from the Cloth Slim Striped wallet. 7 credit card slots, ID window, and a full-length bill compartment. The wallet is just as functional as it is chic. This retails for $60. $60. All it is, it's not super thick. It feels nice. It's just got a button, nothing up here. Then you open it up, you got your slots, ID holder, and then a place for your money right there. $60 for this is a ripoff. Sorry, not sorry. This looks so cheaply made. I would not ever buy this. I don't know what I would pay for it because I wouldn't buy it. The inside, right here, can you see that? It's like already fraying everywhere. Oh yeah, it's like already see that string? If I start pulling on it, I'm just tearing it. So it's very cheaply made. It's like There is a thin piece of cardboard in here, and that's it. It's wrinkling really easily already. Like right here, and you can see all that, all wrinkling and stuff. It feels cheap. It blows my mind that this is $60. Mine is blown. I would never use this as a wallet. I like a lot more slots. Like the wallet I use right now has two, you open it up and it's got two sections to put like money in it, so I can put my checkbook in one and money in another side. It's got the zipper in the middle for all your change, and then it's got all of the credit card slots. God, I can't believe this. I will give this to my daughter to play with for her play money. But I mean, she has mostly coins and there's nowhere to put coins. So that sucks. Definitely the worst thing in the box. Next, the last thing we have here is another item that is for select members. So this is one of the items that you get to choose from. This is a Pare Duo Salt and Pepper Mill. Twist and shake your way to a perfectly seasoned dish with this refillable ceramic salt and pepper grinder, retailing for $29.95. This is cute. Very cool. I like that it's a salt and pepper all in one, so that I don't have to be reaching for my salt and my pepper, you know. So this is what it'll look like when there's salt and pepper in it. And I do have pink Himalayan salt. Gives you directions of how to use it. That's nice, because I always need directions. Okay, so you take your cap off, and then you just do a little grind, 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 grind. Get you a little salt, get you a little pepper, and then you just untwist the cap to fill her up. I will be happy to test this out. Hopefully it's a good one. Pretty cool. And $21.95 seems like a very realistic, good price for something like this. And that is everything in the box. Let me total it up, and then I will show you some of the other options that you could have gotten in the box. Okay, so not counting the two mystery items, the foot cream and the Dr. Brandt cleanser, my total still comes out to $224.95 for everything in this box. That's crazy, because I mean, I paid $50 for it, so, and you pay even less if you sign up yearly rather than boxly. So I think that is a great price. The only thing is, the reason it took me so long to sign up for Fab Fit Fun in the first place is because I watched my sister-in-law get boxes, and it felt like every box she would get it's not stuff that I would buy in the first place. Like with my BoxyCharm, I always get something in it that I am super happy with. Most of the time, all of the items are something I will use, but her boxes just seemed like, I'm like, I wouldn't buy that in the store in the first place. Am I happy to have it? Yeah, I guess, but it never really got me going. I think I pretty much feel the same with this box. There are items that I am happy to have. The Dr. Brandt cleanser I think is awesome. The foot thing I'm happy to have. Well, I mean, I guess I'm happy to have it all. I'm happy to have it all, but nothing in here gets me excited. So that being said, let me show you some of the other items that you could have gotten and items that maybe you could have been able to choose from. Here's the wallet that I got. Here is a makeup bag. Kate Spade lunch tote. Oh, it's a lunch box. I love that. See, I would have much rather had that lunch box than that wallet any day. A teeth whitening set. What's that? Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. That retails for $89.99. That's crazy. A scarf, a charcuterie board, charcuterie board, a straightener, detox pads. So that's all good stuff. Those were other options that you could have gotten rather than, like, my option was the wallet. Oh, okay, so these are all the options that I could have customized. So if I had been trained, the reason I couldn't customize it and I got this rather than something that I actually wanted was because I signed up late and everything had already been out pretty much. So I didn't get the chance to customize my box. Had I been able to customize it, I would have chosen either probably the teeth whitening thing. The items that you could have chosen instead, so if you sign up yearly rather than every other box, some of the choices you got were the salt and pepper, a aromatherapy roller ball, a hair towel, a Skinvolve body boost gel, the Wander Beauty eye masks, or a face toner. So those would have been your options for that. So here Oh, and what's this? And mini eye things. So that comes with a brow pencil, an eyeliner, and some eye crayons. So between this, the salt and pepper shaker, this one here, the hair towel, this roller ball, the body gel, the Wander Beauty masks, and this face toner. So had I chose, you know, to be honest, I think I'm happy with the salt and pepper shaker. I think it's pretty cool. The hair wrap, I have several of those, so I probably wouldn't have gotten that. I don't like the eye crayons. So yeah, I probably still would have chosen the salt and pepper shaker. So that's probably good, yeah. Well, anyways, those were your options for the fall Fab Fit Fun. If there are things in this box that you're like, hey, yeah, I want those, and you're okay with not being able to choose which items you get, I believe you can still sign up for the fall box. You just don't get the options to customize it. You will get the options to customize your next one. So if you do want to sign up for FabFitFun, use somebody's code, because then you get money towards your FabFitFun. And I believe that whoever's code or link you use, they also get it. So make sure you use somebody's code. You don't have to use mine. I will link mine in the description box, but use somebody's. Help them out. Please, if you have any other questions about FabFitFun, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, we will just see you in the next video. Bye.